Hello, royalties. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess Minate. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Japan. So I've been in Japan for almost 2 years now. Yes, and I've not gone to a salon before to make my hair. Like I've been making my hair by myself, everything from washing to braiding, everything. Yeah, I've been taking care of my hair by myself. Oh my god, I'm not good with voiceovers. So in today's video, I visited a salon. Yeah, I met this lady on Instagram. Actually, my friend introduced her to me. She showed me her Instagram page. So I contacted the lady and then I booked an appointment. Yes. So that's how I got to know about this place that I'm going to check out now. Although, because it was my first time, I missed directions and then I arrived there late. And so the style I wanted to make initially, we had to change the style because before I got there, I was very late. Yeah, time had gone far for the style I wanted to make. Yes, so watch me make my hair. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you haven't and give me a thumbs up. Hope you love the video. Thank you for clicking to watch. I just arrived and we're about to start now. Yes. See ya.
So at the end of the day, if we balance the equation, we see that it equals out. Is you make the money you spend here. You don't make that much money in Africa, so you can't. That is expensive for me in Africa, right?
Yeah.
You can't give me 20,000 in Nigeria. In Nigeria is how much?
20,000 yen.
Huh?
In Naira is about right now is almost
Okay, let's say 50k,
70K.
70k. Who want to braid hair for 70k? So you see what I mean? Like it balances out where you live and how much. Even in the States, it's more. People from the States tell me it's cheaper because in the States they pay way more to get the same hairstyle that I do here for cheap. So if we look at it from that standpoint, we see that yeah, people are trying to accommodate all that. Plus, I don't like using fake things like.
Could wish for nights alone that we miss more, days we saved as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time and give you my whole life. I left my girl, I'm in Mallorca. hate to leave her, call it torture. Remember when I couldn't hold her? Left the package for him over. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my life right from the social.
Yeah, because
I get the feeling, so I'm sure.
Yes.
They show all these things to do.
Because
I
I'm
was watching on the
yours, I
trailer.
can't pretend, I can't ignore your eyes
Spinning
for
out.
me. Don't think you wanna know just where I've been. Oh, not being distracted. And one I need is right in my arms. Your kisses taste the sweetest with mine, and I'll be right here with you till the end of time. In Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the social.
Her mother was raped by her father. So he was never in his life. But the mom hated her so much, like took out all her frustration. Like basically she has no mother. It was her grandmother who was, like took care of her as her own. The mom was there but doesn't want to touch her or do anything with her. And now she's 36 years old. So why would you punish the child? It's my question.
I want you by my side when I stop dreaming. Be mine. I want you, yes, I'm on my side. I want your love